Alright, so here we got the iRobot Roomba 552, which is in great condition. It's a pet series, and it's pretty much same as a 562 model. What we got here is the two virtual walls. Okay, right here, two virtual walls. The home docking station. The remote. And the bar charger right here. The extra set of a beater brush and the bristle brush. Also includes three new filters. So right here, three new filters. Brand new side brush. Also, there is a brand new side brush installed on the Roomba here. So I'll show you closer to the camera so you'll see how it looks like. So you can get a little light reflect so you can see if there's any blemishes or scratches on this. So okay, so that's the front bumper right there. It's in used condition, it's a used item, it's not brand new. So the face does have some scratches right here. Might be a little hard to see, but works great. Battery is pretty good. So I got some brand new side brush right here. Right there it says 552. So yeah, the serial number if anybody is interested in. Alright. I disinfect and clean all the Roombas. So this is all clean, all ready to go. And just in case, I'll show you that it works. Alright. The bumper sensors work great too. Now you'll see. Alright.